Dedication ako. This song is requested by our channel. So, if you know this song, please sabay mo po ako. Somebody it's not a fear. I'll be deep in the dark under your love. Hold my hands and let go of me. 'Cause I will be here when you feel like being quiet. When you need to speak your mind, I will listen, and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying. Through the wind and listen and try, we'll be together. 'Cause I will be if you wake up and the sun is over me. So I will be here. Jesus, I'm ready for a change. I just I'm ready for you. When the clearances we're older, I will hold you, and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty, and I'll tell you ways that you do me, and I will be true to the promise that I made. So you to the one who gave you to me. Hello sa lahat ng viewers sa baba. The seasons are made for change. I like to made for years. 'Cause we'll be together. 'Cause I will be. Thank you to all watching. Thank you and God bless everyone po. Kung saan po kayo na po naroon, ay pagpalain po kayo ng ating Panginoon. Salamat po.